You guys, it's DK here, back with the Beyblade video. And this Beyblade video is I guess a combo request video by someone in my latest video that I literally just posted like 45 minutes ago. I believe the name was MenOsc M with World Longinus to be Eternal versus, Dragon Ceasar. Let's do it. Ooh, that's not that spin though. Alright, I guess we'll go up to 5. Alright. Alright, 1-0. One. I gotta give it to Dragon Ceasar. That was impressive. 2-1. Ooh, Dragon Ceasar. Oh, he's shot by Dragon Ceasar, and Dragon Ceasar takes it 3-1. Wait! It's not over yet. It's not over yet. A perfect tie by the both of them. That was really insane by Dragon Ceasar. Wait. Oh my god, no way. There's no way if Dragon Ceasar takes this. Oh my god, 4-1. 4-1. Oh! Whoa! What a barrage of attacks by Dragon Ceasar. But can it spin steal the victory? That's the question. I don't think it can. Oh my god, no way. And I don't know what to tell you, Dragon Ceasar takes it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. GT to my opponent. And I'll see you guys next. Oh yeah, click the notification bell soon. If I went upload, almost missed my outro. And I'll see you guys next Beyblade video.